Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Triplex Vlogs. In this video I am going to say properties of rational number. In the properties of rational number, first one is closure property. What is that? Closure property. What is meant by closure property? Closure, if we take any two rational numbers, if we add that or subtract, multiply or divide that two rational numbers, we should get the answer also a rational number. Now we will take example. 2 by 7, 5 by 8. Here these two are unlike fractions, so we should do LCM. LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. 56. In the 7 table, 56 will go how many times? 8 times. So here 8 into numerator. Numerator, what is numerator? 2. 8 into 2. Plus, in the 8 table, 56 will go 7 times. So, 7 into 5. Now, 8 into 2, how much? 16. Plus, 7 into 5, 35. Now, add them. 35 plus 16. 51. 51 by 56. Here it is also a rational number. These two also a rational number. The closure property is satisfied in addition. Satisfied in addition. Now we will do subtraction with the same example. 2 by 7 minus 5 by 8. The LCM is 56. Now, in this 7 table, how many times will go? 8. 8 into 2. And 8 table, 7 times will go. 7 into 5. 8 2s are 16 minus 35. Do subtraction. The subtraction is minus 90. It is also a rational number. If this closure properties in subtraction also it is satisfied. Now we will do multiplication. In the multiplication also we will take the same. 2 by 7 into 5 by 8. 2 into 5 by 7 into 8. What is the answer? 5 2s are 10 and 7 8s are 56. This is also a rational number, and this closure property is satisfied in multiplication also. Now we will do division. 2 by 7 divided by 5 by 8. 5 by 8. In this division we should do the second number should be reciprocal. Then 2 by 7 reciprocal means reverse order. 8 by 5. We did this number is in reciprocal now, so we have to do here in multiplication. 2 into 8 by 7 into 5. 8 2s are 16. 7 5s are 35. This is also a rational number. Means the division also satisfied. The closure property is ended. Now we will run commutative property. The second one is commutative property. What is mean by commutative property? For this commutative property, one definition is there. Formula is there. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Means here A plus B is equals to B plus A. If you reverse order, reverse those numbers, also you should get same. Now we will do the, we will check it. First we will do addition. we'll take same numbers. 2 by 7 comma 5 by 8. LCM is 56. Now, in the 7 table, 56 is going on 8 into 2 plus 56, 7 into 5. 8 into 2, 16 plus 7 into 5, 35. 51 is the answer. This is if you reverse these numbers also, we should get same. We will do now that. 5 by 8 comma 2 by 7. We should add these two. For this 8 and 7 also LCM is 56. In this 8 table, 56 is going on 7 times. 7 to 5. Now, in this 7 table, 56 is going on 8 times. 8 into 2. 7 into 5, 35. Plus 8 into 2, 16. The answer is 51. The commutative property is satisfying addition. Which two numbers are equal? Because here these two numbers are equal. Now we will check subtraction. Subtraction also as like this only. 2 by 7 minus 5 by 8. The LCM is 56. 8 into 2 and 7 into 5. Here 8 into 2, 16 minus 7 into 5, 35. Answer is, what is the answer? 16 minus 35 minus 19. Now we will do reverse order. Reverse order means here 7 into 5 minus 8 into 2. 56. 7 5s are 35 minus 8 into 60. 8 into 2, 16. Here the answer is only 19. Only 19. Here minus 19. So the commutative property is not satisfied in subtraction because these two are not equal. Now we will do multiplication. Here 5 2s are 10 and 8 5s are 40. 5 2s are 10, 8 5s are 40. Multiplication, it is equal. In the division it is not equal. So because as like that subtraction only, it is not satisfied. Now we will do associative property. Associative property means A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Here we will use Bodmer's rule. Now we will do addition first. 2 by 5. Now we will do for this addition. Here A plus B means A is this, B, C. First these two we should do Bodmer's rule. 2 by 7 comma 2 by 7 plus 5 by 8. Keep in bracket and plus 3 by 5. First we have to do this. 7 comma 8. What is the LCM? 56. Here 8 into 2 plus, in this 8 table 7 times will cancel. So 7 into 5 plus 3 by 5. 56 means here 8 into 2 60 plus 7 into 5 35. Answer is 51. To this 51 we have to add 3 by 5. Here we will do 51 by 56 plus 3 by 5. The LCM is 280. 25 plus 160. 168 is equals to 420 by 28. Now we will do reverse order. Here 2 by 7 plus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 5. Now we will do first this BODMAS rule. 8 comma 5. What is the 8 comma 5? What is the LCM? 8 into 5, 40. In the 8 table, 40, how many times it will go? 5 times. 5 into 5 plus. In the 5 table, 40, how many times it will go? 8 times. 8 into 3. 2 by 7 plus 8. 5 into 5, 25. Plus 8 into 3, 24. 2 by 7 plus 40. Here 25 plus 24, how much? 49. To this 49 by 40, we have to add 22 by 7. Here the LCM is 280. What here? 7 table. How many times? 343 plus 80. What is the answer? 423 by 280. Here, in this associative property, the addition is satisfied because here the reverse order and normal order answers are same. But in subtraction it won't be. Why? Because the answers will not be same. In the multiplication it is satisfied. Why? Because the answers are same. And also in the division it is not satisfied. Now we learn associative property. After that we learn distributive property. Distributive property means A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus B into C. A into C. Here, this bracket in this bracket we should add, and the result we have to multiply. Here, the A into B plus B plus A into C. This is the example. Now we will do that example. Is equals to 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Now we have to solve this. Here 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. What is the LCM here? Now we will do 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 table 1s are 1s are. What is the LCM? 4. 2 into 2 in the 2 table 4 how many times will go? 2 times. So 2 into 1 plus in the 4th table 1 time it will go. So 1 into 3. 2 by 5 into 4. Here 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 3 3. 2 by 5 into 3 plus 2 5 by 4. Now here we have to do multiplication. 5 into 4 20. 2 into 5 10. We can cancel this. You can cancelize this. 10 ones are 10 twos are. Answer is 1 by 2. Now we should do this. 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. How much? 2 ones are 2. 5 twos are 10. Plus 2 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. 2 3s are 6. 5 4s are 20. You should add these two numbers. What is the LCM here? 20. In the 10 table 20, how many times it will go? 2 times. So 2 into 2 plus in 20 table 20, how many times it will go? 1. 1 into 6. Now here 20. 2 into 2 4 and 1 into 6 6. 10 by 20. Cancellate this. 10 ones are 10 twos are 1 by 2. Here these two are same. So this is the distributive property. Friends, in the next episode I will say exercise 1 of rational numbers. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Triplex Vlogs. Bye bye.